Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install AnyDesk software on your PC. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start using it for remote access. So, what is AnyDesk? AnyDesk is a small but powerful software that lets you control your computer from anywhere in the world. You can use it for remote work, tech support, file sharing, or even just helping a friend with their computer. And the best part? It's free for personal use and very easy to install. Warning: this software allows others to control your device. Hackers or scammers could misuse it to secretly access your personal data. Always be cautious and only grant access to people you fully trust. First, let's download AnyDesk. Open your browser and go to the official website, AnyDesk.com. I've added the official link in the description for quick and easy access. Just click the link to visit the official website. Click on the Download Now button, and it will take you to the download page. Here, the software will automatically detect your operating system and start downloading the right version for your PC. Your setup file, named AnyDesk.exe, will begin downloading in just a few seconds. On this page, you'll also see options for almost every operating system. You can download AnyDesk for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Apple TV, Linux, FreeBSD, Raspberry Pi, and even Chrome OS. So no matter what device you are using, you can get the right version from here. Important tip: always download from the official site to stay safe. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the AnyDesk file. A window will pop up. Here you have two choices. Yes, you can use it straight away without installation. When you open it this way, you'll immediately see your 9-digit AnyDesk remote address on the screen. This is your unique ID. You can share this ID with the person who wants to connect to your computer. Or, if you want to connect to someone else's computer, simply enter their ID here. For example, I tried connecting to my office laptop. I just entered my laptop's remote address. And now I'm connected. As you can see, I can fully control my office laptop right from this PC. But there's a small catch. When you run AnyDesk without installing, each remote session will only last for about 5 minutes. After that, the connection will expire and you'll need to reconnect again. This can get a bit annoying if you plan to use it regularly. That's why the second option is better. Install AnyDesk on this device. Just click on the Install AnyDesk on this device button, follow the on-screen instructions, and wait for the installation to finish. And that's it. AnyDesk is now fully installed on your PC and ready to use. After installation, the AnyDesk app will open. Now you can connect to another computer remotely, transfer files between devices, share your screen, or control your PC from anywhere in the world. For security, AnyDesk will always ask for permission before someone can connect. You can allow temporary access or set up unattended access with a password if you need it. AnyDesk works on almost any PC. All you need is Windows 7 or later at least 2 GB of RAM, and a stable internet connection. Since it's lightweight, it runs smoothly even on older computers. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and set up AnyDesk on your PC. It's quick, secure, and super easy to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.